We are in the topic of drug and alcohol, and we are in the role of genetics or genes or hereditary effect of alcohol, drug and alcohol misuse. And it says here, how to know if you have the addiction gene. Identifying whether you have a genetic predisposition to addiction involves a combination of factors and typically requires professional assessment. Here are some steps you can take. Family history. Start by examining your family history for any patterns of addiction. If there's a history of substance abuse disorder among close relatives, it may indicate a higher risk for you. Genetic testing. Consider undergoing genetic testing for addiction-related genes. However, it's essential to consult with a genetic counselor or healthcare provider before pursuing this option to understand the implications and limitations of the test results. Self-awareness. Reflect on your behavior and relationship with substances. Have you experienced difficulty controlling your substance use? Do you find yourself craving drugs or alcohol? Have others expressed concerns about your substance use? Honest self-assessment can provide insights into your risk levels. Seek professional guidance. If you're concerned about your susceptibility to addiction, consult with a healthcare professional or addiction specialist. They can conduct a comprehensive assessment, consider your family history and personal risk factors, and provide guidance on managing any potential risk. Remember, genetics is just one factor influencing addiction susceptibility. Environmental factors, lifestyle choices, and psychological influences also contribute significantly to your risk profile. By exploring methods on how to know if you have the addiction, you can gain a more comprehensive understanding of your vulnerability to addiction or substance dependency or even substance abuse. However, regardless of generational addiction, seeking support and making proactive choices are crucial steps in mitigating the risk of developing addiction. And remember, seek help, seek support, see your doctor, and take good care. Follow for more.